Okay, hello YouTubers, Ramon the Gamer back here again. Today we are going to play Euro Truck Simulator 2. Actually, just beginning this, I played the Euro Truck Simulator 1 before, so I think it's very similar here. I'm going to load gravel, I believe. No fruit. We are hauling it to from Burlington to Cardiff, so maybe, hopefully I don't wreck it. Going back in the cab. Apparently I hit a car already. They want my money. Now, one thing about this country here, you're driving on the wrong side of the road, especially for me being in the United States. We're normally on that side of the road, so, you know, it's a little odd for me. I'll turn the signal on and make a nice little turn here. Now we made it on the highway for the time being, without crashing into a guardrail or crashing beyond repair. Ooh. Kinda odd. Can make up days. And hopefully I'll have some nice music next round. I'll just see how well it responded to my mouse and keyboard. Oh, no, that sounds like a rear horn. It's a rear horn. Now, you know what? There is something in the settings I'm gonna have to remind myself to disable when we get up here. Do I stop for fuel? I think we're gonna be a bit nice gas station over there. Headlights. Wipers. Now, of course, someone's gonna ask, am I playing online? I really actually don't know. I should be, but if I was, I'd be like lagging all over the map, so maybe not. See, I'm making them Tom staying in my own lane. Maybe we'll beep how many times the car goes by or something. I don't know what this is. Is this like a? Am I supposed to slow down or something? I wonder. Ah! I think I just crashed. I feel like getting that person the finger for the fact that they like slam on the brakes. Have I done that in the past? Maybe. I can't remember. It's been about a year since the last time I played Euro Truck. Working on that bridge. Hopefully, I get to go up over it. why is it that I'm supposed to be going 50 and everyone here is going like 80? Look, I'm getting outran. I'm getting outran by a truck load full of logs there. I feel like if they give me a ticket, I'm gonna like run the camera over it and prevent it. I should try hitting one of them signs to see what happens. Are you coming over? I feel like I'm slowing down. Wait, am I supposed to do this? Oh, what? Where am I going? Oh, wait. Oh, this is my exit. Ah! Well, probably we got fun back there. No single, and the fact that I was screaming for my life. Hopefully, I didn't hit anyone. Thank goodness. It says 2 hours to my destination. I don't really believe that. When I get to the top of this hill, I'm gonna try to reset my values, maybe. There's a setting here I have to set. Okay, we're going to settings. Audio gameplay. Some of us have to disable this. Turn the rain up a little bit for this. I feel like changing all this because weird, like, you know, I guess they may take that down. I don't know. Someone can tell me, that'd be nice. We took a flash on until the car behind me. Where to go? Not really, just kidding. They did a great job. Look at all the nice buildings out there. Oh! Done! Huh. Someone be asking, who gave Ramon a truck and trailer to drive? But at least one thing is, they would give me credit for being on a simulated game, not, you know, a non-simulated game. Which looks like that might be a map there too. Done. Oh, didn't get. But I didn't realize when I first looked at the map, I didn't realize it was going to actually be this like big. We got 70-some miles to go, and we're going 20-some miles per hour, so I don't think we're going to go well here, folks. Wait, there's no left turn. How do I get in that gas station? This year, stop. I guess I'll turn here. would have to turn all the way around, but I got fuel the waste. What's this? I got past that turn. You guys see that? There's a turn. Thank God you can see this far ahead. I feel like I should be singing that side. Hey, no car! What retards? I should post this on YouTube. I might be driving like I do, like my car, like runs out the road. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Out there, oh! Okay, that's a little freaky. Son! Oh, what the? Our son! Yeah, that could have ended a little badly. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to kill myself. Ah! Yeah, it needs to actually like have a saying in here that tells you, by the way, you gotta turn in around this bend, and you might want to get slowed up before you get down there, and stuff. I wonder if they would hurt or hit them. Well, at least I'm going 40. It feels like West Virginia here, you know. Going off the road, it may help. Now I'm going down the wrong side of the road. Honestly, if someone knew I was driving a truck, guess what? They wouldn't let me. Okay. I can't get over the fact that horn's a little odd. $42 miles. What's this? What's this? Hey! You're supposed to be in a dang turn! How's that my fault? Keep it up, I'm not going to earn any money for this job. Train! Well, that's one way to get me. Well, that's one way to get stopped. So just let me like run into the train and go down the tracks or make a fireball. That's a way to get stopped. miles till you reach your destination. Uh oh. I like the fact that I'm actually getting like a pass. That's why you do this. Right side of the road. Right side of the road. Gas station. Gas station. Nah, no gas. Son. Oh. Oh. I'm having fun with this game apparently. You know what I should put at the start of this video? What the hell did I go wrong way offense? How? Fuck you, gang! I think I might definitely put age restriction on this. If I do post it. What does that mean? Did I blow my motor? Am I on fire? Orange fine. Orange fine. Well, I mean, one of the places I would never want to be is in Europe. Unless I was, you know, like on vacation or something. You know, I won't want to permanently live there. Oh, wait, do I need this? Yeah, I need to go this way. Yeah, if you guys also look, I'm using the e-brake to get stopped. It's a nice thing, but sometimes you can get stuck with the e-brake. That was happening in Euro Truck 1, I think. There was some sort of a glitch that would enable the park brake to be stuck on. It would drive someone insane. Truck! And beep! How dare he not beep? I feel like I'm, you know, driving, not getting anywhere. But apparently down the map here it's, well, maybe we'll keep this thing open. It says 15 miles. So yay. Okay, getting close. Ever use the jake brake? That's what it's called. Yeah, I think we're gonna make a left turn. Turn down here. Ah! Who gave the keys of a pickup truck to Ramon? Go around the car, push it out of the way. Yeah, I'm surprised the truck isn't towed. guess you can say I'm a noob. Someone watches the video, can you tell me how many times I actually crashed and like blew the horn? It's kind of cool just to figure that out, because I'm not going to watch the whole video. What do you call these one things? Roundabout? So what do I do? Go around like this? Ah! Yeah, I go around alright. I crash into things. Okay. Now, if I was a roundabout, what way would I want to go out? This way. Ooh, off the curb. You know what? I reckon anything. The fact that I'm only a newbie kinda sucks. And I think we need to stop there.